Moto G6 Play India launch. Expected price and specifications. Moto G6 Play smartphones from Motorola India will be launched in the Indian market today. Moto G6 series will be the latest in the mid-budget smartphone range from the company, and more previous Moto phones will run through Android. Moto G6 now has the new 18:9 aspect ratio display and also comes with a dual rear camera at the back, which has become common in the mid-range segment. Moto G6 Play is the budget smartphone from the company, and will be Flipkart exclusive. Motorola is hosting a live stream via Twitter for the Moto G6 and Moto G6 Play India launch. Moto G6 has a starting price of $249 in the US and India. The base 3GB RAM plus 32GB storage version will likely start at Rs 14,999. The 4GB RAM plus 64GB variant of Moto G6 will likely cost Rs 17,999. Moto G6 will be Amazon exclusive in India. Specifications of Moto G6 are 5.7-inch FHD plus 2160x1080 display, Snapdragon 450 processor, 3000 mAh battery, 12MP plus 5MP rear camera and 8MP front camera. In comparison, Moto G6 Play has a 5.7-inch display as well, but the resolution is HD+, which is 720p. Processor on the Moto G6 Play is Snapdragon 427 coupled with a bigger 4000 mAh battery, a 13MP rear camera and 5MP front camera with soft LED flash. Moto G6 is priced at $199 in the US market, which means it will be priced around Rs 10,000 in India. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more update, like, share and comments on this video.